Hey, ladies. Yeah, call me. I'm single. Yeah. Oh, you need Anthony? Okay. Your mom's on the phone.
Okay.
Hello. It's 1 a.m. Actually, no, it's 2. It's 2 a.m. now. And I have two finals tomorrow. I'm just finishing up right now. I'm just finishing up 2 papers I have to write. Both are pretty short. Both like 6 pages, so nothing too long. I'm just in my bedroom right now. It is a mess. I had a fever the last 2 days. Coughing, throwing up, sneezing, everything in between. I might have strep. I don't know. Maybe. But I need to finish up this paper. It is a psychology analysis? A research paper. That's what it is. And we're just going to finish this up, go to bed. I have 2 finals tomorrow. Both are going to be like 2 hours long. One's a practical, so I don't even want to think about that. But next week, 2 tests next week. And then after that, we're done. Finals week will be over. Hello, winter break. I'm excited. Ooh, fun angle. My obsession recently has been like watching movies, which is like such a stupid thing to say you're obsessed with, but it's just true. All rom-coms, actually, now that I think about it. Notting Hill, Rainy Day in New York, Sleepless in Seattle, when Harry met Sally, and what was the last one I watched? Oh, 13 Going on 30. Jennifer Garner is so hot. There are no movies like that anymore. They don't make movies like that anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna submit this, and once it's submitted, I'm gonna go to bed. Oh yeah.
What? Oh yeah, what?
Finals are over. Finals are over. Hey.
My finals have been over, so
Yeah.
AA from 1 week ago.
All right.
Okay.
Finals are over.
Mine have been over like a week ago,
That's fine.
No.
I just got done today. Took the hardest physics final of my entire life. But that's okay, because winter break.
Yeah. And actually, I shaved like about a week ago for Peter.
Nasty. Look at this nasty,
No,
crusty mustache,
it
man.
grew back already a little bit, but it was darker the last video.
You just gotta shave it off right now. You look bad.
No. He asked me to do this like 2 weeks ago.
We're here to celebrate finals being over by getting tacos.
Yes, tacos from the new taco place.
The new taco place. I used to get tacos there. They closed down. Then another taco company bought them, and now more Mexican food. So we're gonna go get that.
Yep.
And just catch up about life, man. We're gonna catch up.
Probably shoot some hoops too.
Yeah.
He's gonna get smoked. But yeah.
In your dreams, buddy. In your dreams. Buddy. New phone. Hey, ladies. Yeah, call me. I'm single. Yeah. Oh, you need Anthony? Okay. Your mom's on the phone.
Okay.
That was pretty funny.
Yeah. When is your mama joke's never funny? That shit is so 20 years ago.
Okay. Anyway, let's go get some tacos.
Yeah, let's go.
Ugh. Fuck him. Fuck who? You'll never know, because I fucking didn't record it. Alright.
But he was not talking about me. I don't like to get fucked.
Okay, Anthony.
I'm asexual.
We're back.
We're back.
It was kind of mid, to be honest. A little underwhelming.
Yeah.
I expected so much better.
It wasn't satisfying.
It was so dry.
First of all,
how do you make a dry quesadilla?
Exactly. And first of all, for the cheese, they use like fucking string cheese, like from the
Right.
supermarket.
Yeah. Okay, so we ended up getting quesadillas instead of tacos, and like it was so dry. The meat was dry. There was no sauce. Like the cheese was dry. So that's why, guys, next week on my YouTube channel, I'm teaching you how to make a proper quesadilla, guys.
That's it. We're
Next
making
week-
quesadillas next week?
We could actually.
I'm so down.
Let's do that.
It's gonna be great.
Next week, we're gonna learn how to make a proper quesadilla from this guy and me. It's gonna be dry. It's not gonna be dry. It's gonna be moist. It's gonna be cheesy.
We already know how it's
gonna be amazing. It's gonna have lots of sauce and sour cream and what's that, like that Mexican cheese? The little thing you sprinkle on top. That.
Yeah.
And yeah. All right.
All right. Sounds good.
Let's do it. Let's go play some basketball.
Yes. Let's go. Time to get smoked.
Yeah. Okay, buddy.
So we're gonna play around the world. He's gonna lose.
No, let's play one-on-one right now.
One-on-one. Fine.
Just bitch.
There, make it. You win.
Your game. Oh! Yo, you feel that?
What?
You feel that?
You know what?
It's so cold.
Not really.
It's so chilly.
Really?
starting to rain. Rain right there. Splash. Good game.
Nice, let's go. He got smoked there. Next we're gonna do around the world. He's gonna lose that too. I don't think he's gonna win a single game tonight. And if he does, it's just pure luck.
What is this kid yapping about, man? I don't know what he's yapping about. I'm literally about to smoke him. Watch this. All right, thank you for watching this really crappy basketball game. I will see you all tomorrow. Oh yeah. Peter Wong with the haircut.
Please.
We got Elizabeth. We're here to make a pizza eatery. It's probably fire.
Please.
All right, pizza eatery. Let's go. Gonna make salmon. We're gonna make some fancy stuff. Yeah.